right, I thought I would drop in here before it gets super dark out. I just got home from work and I wanted to do video 1 for March Madness. So this is the mopping system that Norwex has. And as you can see, this is a small mop head. We have a medium and then we have a really large one, but just for today, I wanted to use the small one. So basically it's the mop, the handle, and then we have a dry mop and we have a wet mop, and the magic is in the picking up of everything and the brush that I'm going to show you at the end. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get it a little bit statically charged, and all of these fibers are going to be backlock, which means that there's bacteria lock in there that's made from a silver compound. That's the technology. So I'm going to back up here and just show you a quick swipe. My house is pretty clean tonight because nobody's around, but let's see if we can't pick up some dog hair or something. So basically this is how it works. I think you can see me. All right, so you put your mop down straight. You want to put your mopping head on the floor. Then you want to match it up with whichever direction it's going in, and you want to press down, and it's Velcro all across so it'll stay on. Then in order to adjust it for your size, you put your foot on it, and then you twist a little bit, and then go up to what you think you want for your length. It goes up pretty long for getting underneath things or for getting up to windows like that if you wanted to. But basically, I'm just going to do a couple of little swishes around, and as you can see, obviously I would do it forwards, not backwards, but I'm just trying to keep the mop head, the narrow part. I want to kind of go in figure eights. And actually, I'm seeing some dog hair and some fun stuff. But you just want to kind of go in figure eights like this. And then I'm going to really quickly just kind of go deep underneath this chest I have in my front hallway. And again, you just want to pick up and go in kind of overlapping motions. And then I'm going to come closer. The longer I go, the more dirt I see. All right, and then I'm going to show you what we got going on. And actually, before I do that, let me just twist it and make it shorter again. And let's just see what we've got. All right, so you can't see a lot. There's some things. I mean, it's 3 months later. I'm still picking up fake needles for my Christmas tree. But this is the fun thing I want to show you about the dry mop part first, and actually the wet mop as well. You can buy this brush, and it's rubber. I think you can see that. And then what happens is it's electrostatically picked up all this gunk. Now let's pretend I have a garbage can here. Really, I just have a plastic tablecloth. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. So see all that dirt? And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to turn it around, go the other way just to see if I got everything. All right, and then everything that came off of there is in a clump on my table. And then there's a few bits of it that are left on here, which is fine because then they can just be shaken into the garbage can, or they can be shaken outdoors or whatever and then rinsed. So that's the dry mopping part. And then again, it's all Velcro. So then you want to take your wet mop if you need to. And this is the wet mop. It's blue and it's damp. It's a little bit, I just wrung it out, so it's a little more wet than damp. But let me back up again and show you what we're going to do. Because again, these front areas are a lot of places where you get like that salt in the wintertime and yucky stuff like that. I don't have a lot to show, but I'm going to drop that down, make sure it's on there, step on the thing, the mop head, technical terms. And then again, I'm just going to do a swiping motion, and you'll see, yeah, this is a little wetter than I had hoped. I should wring it out or maybe let it dry for a minute or two longer than I normally have this evening, but that is going to air dry pretty quickly. Just do a quick little of the areas that I cleaned. And then ideally you wouldn't want to walk on the spots that you've cleaned. But if it's damp, it's going to leave a little bit less wet. But you can see that shine. All right, now let's just see if we picked up some more dirt. And I'm going to make it shorter. Yeah, we picked up a little bit. So again, pretending this is my garbage can, I'm just going to see if I can show that to you. But basically it's just this kind of a motion, and then turn that mop head and go like this, and all that dirt and debris has just ended up in a pile. So that is the Norwex mopping system. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So if you're interested or have any questions at all, let me know. You can private message me or put it in the comments. All right, and stay tuned tomorrow for the second day of March Madness.